Hi everyone, this is Eva Shaohui Wang. Today I will introduce my final project. My final project is a game that the doodle to jump on the boards, avoiding to falling down. Once the doodle falls down, the game is over. Players use the left and right arrow key to control the directions of the doodle to jump touch the boards in the screen. When the doodle touches the boards, and he will jump higher and higher, your score will be higher and higher too. If the doodle does not touch the boards, he will fall down from the boards and the game is over. Furthermore, there will be a UFO to decorate the background. Stars falling down from the sky. The doodle can catch the stars as many as he can. Now I will introduce my game how to play. Use left and right arrow key to control the doodle direction. Hit any key to start. Now I will play it again and explain my game. Hit any key to start. The dude jumps forever. He cannot stop. I can just use the left and right key to control his direction. When he touches the board, there's a music to playing, there's a sound to playing drum, and also when he catches the stars, there is another music, another sound. To mention as he touched the board or when the game over, it says you can see your score, your star. And now I will introduce my code for you. Now I will introduce my code for you. The function of the game is separated across a main processing loop and 5 classes: a doodle, a board, a star, a timer, and a UFO. I will introduce the doodle first, since this is very important in my games. I define a class of dude and make some gravity, bounce velocity, x max velocity, and y max velocity. Then I set variables for location of doodle and display the doodle. I didn't use the picture to display the doodle. I just draw it by myself. Now, I use this to make the doodle move. Make the doodle always display on the screen. Use this code. Make the doodle from the right side and turn out the left side, or out the left side and turn in the right side. And I also control the horizontal moving of the doodle. I use this one to make the x velocity smaller, and also control the doodle's horizontal speed in case that the speed is too high or too low. I also control the vertical moving of the doodle, use the gravity. This is very important. Touch. Standard the doodle and the board intersections. And we only care about the when it's falling down. When the doodle touch the board for bouncing, and there will play the touch sound. When the doodle touch the board, the doodle's y velocity change his direction at the same size of the bounce velocity. Here's another function that returns true or false based on if the doodles intersect a star. I use to calculate the distance of the doodle and the star. Compare the distance to sum of the radius. I use this size, since the doodle's radius is 20 and the star is almost 5. Now second, I will introduce the board class. I defined a board class and display the board class. I make the board class the rectangle to use a different radius value for each corner. Include 8 parameters. When using 8 parameters, the later 4 set the radius of the arc at each corner separately, and the board move. I also create the horizontal moving board subclass from the board class. The board becomes the subclass of horizontal moving board. Since it's a horizontal moving board, so just control the x velocity. If the board moves out of the canvas, make it turn back. Change the speed direction. Also, there's another class star. Make the speed of star varieties for location of star. Start with a random x location. Start a little above of the window. All the stars are the same size. I can use this one to change the star size. Speed is a random. Use this to move increase the y by speed to move the stars down. This is display the star. And if the star is caught, stop it from moving by setting speed equal to 0. Set the location to somewhere way off the screen. Make the star disappear. And its timer and the UFO. UFO, I define the UFO class just to decorate the background. Here's my main code. Play the song. Create the Jude object, timer object, star, and add variables to track the score. Add a boolean to let us know that the game is over. Also, use the pimage, pfont to add the image and the text. Setup. I use the image to make the background. Set up all the scenes and load the songs. Initial the board on the screen. And draw. I use this volume to control the sound volume. I use this code to make the background image scrolling all the time. Looks like the sky is moving. Show the UFO as a decoration of the background image. This code is show the instruction. Show the score and the start. And use this timer, check the timer, initial the stars, and decide how many stars falling down. Move and display all stars. Also, if the dude caught the stars, record the number and play the collect music. If the game over, print all of these things. Move the board and display. If the dude touch the board and move the board a little down. Make sure the dude and the board at the middle of the screen, which looks better for the player. Use the adjust viewpoint. If the dude above the middle point, you can notice my dude is always jumping around the middle of the screen. Make the doodle at the middle of the height. Also, make the balls to move. When the doodle jump a little and the balls move the same size. I make a rule to report the score. If the dude falling under the middle point and out of the canvas, make it above the screen. The ball's height is 8, so I use the 4. Clean up. If the balls move out of the bottom, remove them. After that, I need to add new balls to show and play. Use the mouse press to replay when game is over. Use the key press to control the dude. At the end, stop the music. So here's my project. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.